There's Socks and Shy, Mummy and Daddy, to the three little troublemaking meeps. Hey Soxies. You are a right little lap cuddler you are, aren't you, hey? I know, your kids are being really naughty. There's one. There's one over there, there's one beautiful colour one. That's beautiful colour. That one's big ears. These are the names they've got anyway, so far. That's the dad. Socks. Shy's the mum. That's Big Ears. They've got to have their names properly done. That's Big Ears, and the other one in there is Fuzzball, as named by Echo. But hey Soxies. Alright boy? Yeah. Good boy. Are you alright, Big Ears? You do look like a Bengal. You've got pointy ears that are too big for you, and your spotty stomach. You're very pretty, aren't you? Are you beautiful? What are you looking at? Go get in the dry socks, look. You're being silly. Minnie, tell your dad to get in. Hey? Tell your dad to get in. Good boy. There you go. There you go. And there's Daddy. There's your daddy. Hey? Yeah. I'm going to push this back in.